All right, so I just got cooked because I thought this whole time I thought I understood the stop losses on futures and the take profits on futures, but like, all right. So instead of explaining what the difference is from forex and this, I'm just tell you what it is for futures. So it won't be no confusion, no nothing. So when you're buying, it will a sell stop and a sell limit. Sell stop, sell limit, and I have what the freak this here for y'all. Let me try to delete a lot of this stuff. And it was right here when I got cooked. I'll show you. Right here. I thought I had a my stop. I thought my stop loss was gonna be triggered here. Hell no. Well, it was on this candle. It was before the PPI, and my dumbass forgot there was gonna be news. Even though I looked at the Forest Factory chart and it was like 8:30 news. like, but working pains. But my stop loss should have been triggered here, but I didn't get triggered. Well, I had it manually closed here. But so when you're buying, so this is on paper trading right here. It's just to show y'all. So I'm not. I'm just gonna be showing y'all. But on paper trading, it's gonna show you this. It's gonna always show you this. But when you're on a funded account or trying to get a funded account, it won't show you this. So it would be when you're buying, it would be this a sell stop. A sell stop is going to be your stop loss, and the sell limit is going to be your take profit. So I'm not trying to really win anything, but I'm just for real just trying to show y'all the difference. So it's always going to show on because like yeah. So I'm gonna wait for this to take me out so you'll know like it works. But then you have to mainly whichever it triggers, you'll have to close the other side of it so you won't be triggered on that. So when I say that, if the sell stop is triggered, you'll have to cancel the sell limit manually. So it should be taking out this stop loss or not. Yeah. It's gonna take forever to do. So this first was just supposed to be quick, but now it's want to not go to something. All right, so boom, it took out the sell limit, so that was the take profit. Then it left the sell stop open. So if price chooses to drop down, it'll probably trigger a sell stop trying to and make you and like, trigger you in thinking it's gonna go lower. But that's out of the question. So that was for the buy example. For the sell example, it would be a buy stop for your stop loss and a sell limit for your take profit. So let's say I don't think the market is going to get up to this high, or let me say this candle's high since it took forever for the last one. So your selling will be a buy stop. And for your take profit, it would be a buy limit. So I'll just use the low of this candle here. Buy limit. You can drag it. And now I will just wait for it, let it show y'all like that it works. And I for real just risked a trade on my actual account just to like make sure it fucking works. So this works. Like this is the right way to use it. Cause I watched a video on YouTube, and these motherfuckers use the wrong shit. They use the wrong shit. So it just took out the take profit, and it left the buy stop open. So I'm gonna leave this buy stop up just to see if it'll trigger it, because I haven't played with it enough to see if it triggered the buy stop. So I'll just put it there, see if it will trigger it. It probably will, most likely. Watch that bitch. And I'm doing this just, yep, it triggered it. So now you're in a position that you don't want to be in. So now you gotta close that bitch manually. So yeah, that's really the take. So just to refresh, when you're selling the market, you're going to be using a buy stop for your stop loss and a buy limit for your take profit. When you're buying, you're going to be using a sell stop for your stop loss and a sell limit for your take profit. One more time. When you're selling, you're going to be using a buy stop for your stop loss and a buy limit for your take profit. And when you're buying, you're going to be using a sell stop for your stop loss and a sell limit for your take profit. I don't know what is so hard for these motherfuckers on YouTube to say that simple ass shit. They want to make fucking shit like who's a Riddler type shit. Like, bro, y'all fucking piss me off with this shit. I'm going to fucking destroy y'all motherfuckers. Yeah, like y'all just keep like the more bullshit y'all do on YouTube, the more pissed I get. Like, especially when y'all give false information, bitch ass niggas. But that's all I gotta say. But yeah, try to stay true and loving today. Man.